Well, both students and teachers are struggling with burnouts as they try to adjust to the new normal of online school, and some are expressing their frustrations online. While calling on the education system for help, students say taking classes online has not only been easy, and they want teachers to understand that not every home is conducive to learning. But some teachers also say they are limited in what they can do, and it never quite feels like enough. So now we have another student for interaction. Now we have another teacher for interaction from government high school from Yusufgura. D. Prabhakar, the in charge of the school, is with us to share what kind of experience the students and the management face for online education. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. So, does the government schools of Telangana, Hyderabad conducting this online education, and if they are planning conducting, so what is happening with the education of students with government schools now?
Madam, actually, government decided with online classes, madam, from 15th August, madam.
Okay.
All classes. And two channels also, the Doordarshan and one more channel also opened, madam.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
And
sir, yes,
each class, madam, they given 2 hours classes, madam.
Okay.
And all students given textbooks, madam.
Okay.
And classes will be start from August 15th.
So how are you preparing for the classes, sir?
Madam, already government, madam, already some lessons already prepared, madam.
Okay.
Already 300 something already government prepared, madam.
Okay.
And ready to start online classes, madam.
Okay. So, sir, how is the response from students actually? How students are responding for online sessions? Because as when government is also imposing getting into this online education, when the news of online classes is given to students that we are going to start online classes from so and so time, how students reacted and what kind of challenging things they have shared you?
Students, madam, very much interested, and some teachers already started, madam. Some and also students very much following, madam. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And students already some teachers started, madam. But government officials started from August 15th, madam.
Okay.
But students are also very much interested, madam.
So students, are they happy with the online classes?
Okay, madam. Okay, students also interested, madam. Also happy, madam.
Already happy. So maximum to the people who are from remote families and underprivileged families, they might not be having an access to the internet. So do you have observed any kind of students with such status?
Madam, actually, I think maybe 20-30% some problem not have, madam, mobiles and laptops, madam.
True.
And almost all government students not have laptops, madam.
True,
laptop, but have some mobiles, madam.
Okay.
The government students follow only in mobiles, madam.
Okay.
But government planning in August 15th, if anybody students not have mobiles or laptops, and they also conduct online processing schools, madam. Some if anybody not have students, madam, they also come school, and teachers also come on August 15th, madam. And also they are in some TVs in schools, madam.
Okay.
But all students not have mobiles and laptops.
Okay. Sir, to what classes this online session will be starting from August 15?
Madam, already planned as per syllabus, madam. As per lesson started from first lesson as per syllabus, madam. Daily 2 hours. Each class will be take, madam, 2 hours class, madam.
So 2 hours class weekly?
Weekly, daily 2 hours, madam. Each class, 10th class 2 hours, 9th class, that's right, madam. That only 6th to 10th class started online classes, madam. 1 to 5th no online classes, madam.
Okay, 1 to 5th there is no online classes. From 6th standard to 10th standards we are having this online sessions.
6th to 10th class, madam, only. And
Okay.
each class 2 hours,
So
madam.
how many hours we will be conducting this classes, sir?
Madam, they already given instruction. Only 2 hours, each class 2 hours, madam.
Each
And
class
maybe
2 hours?
each class 2 hours, maybe one subject 30 minutes, madam.
Okay.
Because 6th to 10th class, madam, because all classes must be covered, madam. So they given time for 2 hours for each class, madam.
Okay. So, in general, when we say about this online classes, there also will be certain kind of drawbacks from the students. Few of them will not be having few devices, and few of them will not be understanding the subjects while we teach. So, to fight with such kind of challenges, are we prepared ahead?
Madam, actually, students not follow this online, madam, and also not understood this lesson, sir. But we will try, madam. We will touch with students, madam.
So, sir,
We also touch with students, and also we will also give some instructions, madam.
yes, sir. So actually, when we are actually conducting this online classes, when we are planning to conduct this online classes, so do
madam.
we have collected any kind of students' opinion, like how they are comfortable and what time or they are comfortable and what can be the syllabus?
Okay, madam. I will give some suggestions, madam,
Okay, sir.
and also give some feedback about this online classes, madam.
Okay, sir. Sir, for the online classes, will the syllabus be same, or do we have any changes in the syllabus, like reducing it and making it short?
This year, actually, government thinking about reduce some syllabus, 30%, because not possible to all syllabus cover in online classes, madam.
Yes, yes.
But maybe 30% maybe reduce, madam, this year.
Okay. So, sir, like how long these online sessions will be happening and when will schools be reopened?
Madam, actually, madam, schools, I think, madam, maybe I think it's expect, madam, October, September also not possible, madam. But up to, I think, madam, up to September, the online classes will be start, madam.
Okay.
I think maybe morning to evening, madam, each class give 2 hours, I think.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, like when we are planning for this, are we also thinking about the mental condition of students? Because with this, we are giving them an introduction to this digital world. So, people will be, who attended traditional classrooms, now will be attending virtual classrooms. So, it is completely a different new era for the students. At the beginning, they might be excited to attend the classrooms, but then gradually, according to the survey, the students are losing interest to attend the online sessions. It's just what happening is they are turning the camera on for the first 5 minutes, and then once they lose the concentration, they're just muting it off and turning off the camera down. So this is what happening with the students with every different school. So to grasp the concentration of students to listen to the class completely, are we planning anything?
But actually, madam, all students, I think, maybe not be follow, madam. But we will touch with the students, madam. We also some WhatsApp group there. We also give some instructions. So if teachers also will touch with students, otherwise the students not follow, madam, and also not see this online class, madam. So teachers must, madam, we must help all students, madam.
Correct, yes. So, how do you think students are comfortable with this online education?
Madam, now schools are not open. So, madam, so students also are waiting for online classes, madam. Students also interested, madam.
Correct. So, like how teachers, like mathematics teachers, are preparing to teach the students, like because the depth of formulae of mathematics subjects will be very difficult for them to understand.
Okay, madam. It's also, madam, some subjects difficult, madam.
Yeah.
But, madam, up to schools are not open, madam. So there is no other option. Maybe, madam, some help for students, madam, these online classes.
Correct.
But 100% not understood students, madam, online classes.
Okay.
But maybe some better, madam.
So, sir,
Hello?
like when, especially when as an in charge of the school, so like as you actually monitor a number of students under you.
Okay, madam. Hello? Hello? Madam, hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Madam, okay, madam. Okay, that line is not clear, madam. Okay, madam.
Yes. So let me come again to you, sir. So what kind of education system will be helpful for the students, whether it will be an online education or if it is a traditional classroom? What will be more helpful for the students, sir?
Madam, traditional classrooms better, madam. But now these conditions online better, madam.
Okay. So online classes are more better and just because of social distancing. So
Okay.
I'm just going ahead before, sir, and I would like to understand how the classroom will be after this COVID-19, because at least for certain year or months there is a need of social distancing everywhere. So how the classroom will look like with social distancing?
Madam, actually, that is, madam, not possible to social distance in now government schools, madam. So it's better to shift, madam, or day by day, or each student sit in one bench, madam. Better to shift, madam, half day some students and half days other students, madam.
Okay.
And also, it's not possible day by day. But all students, madam, at same day is not possible, madam, because social distance is very important, madam. So we government is also thinking that shift, madam, half day schools, madam. Some students half day, some students half day, afternoon.
Okay.
But government is not giving instruction, madam. If given instruction, maybe half day or day by day, madam. But all students not possible in same day, madam.
Okay.
So social distance is very compulsory. Otherwise, now in this madam, corona time, social distance is very important, madam.
Yes.
Maybe think, madam, each class 10 or 15, madam, not possible to all students.
True.
Okay.
So, sir, like when students are preparing to adopt this new kind of online education lifestyle from this August, so what do you suggest to the students? Like what kind of lifestyle they should maintain and how many hours they should spend on studying?
Okay, madam. Madam, madam, when online classes started, the students must, madam, work with books or pens, madam, and also follow the online classes, madam.
Okay.
And it's also some help, madam. Maybe it's 2 or 3 months it's not possible open to schools, madam.
Okay.
So these conditions, online classes is very better, madam. And students also very much interested, madam.
Okay. So, sir, are you also recording any video classes? Because live online classes anyway will happen. So, for the students to understand better, few corporate schools also giving this video recorded classes for students.
Okay. So
if our government schools are planning anything that way for the students?
Madam, if not detailed, madam, if government says prepare video lessons, then we ready, madam. We ready prepare for video lessons.
Okay.
But government not giving instructions, madam. But we some teachers also follow, madam. Some sites, madam, they already started, madam. But if government says we will ready to prepare videos and we also taken online classes, madam.
Okay. So, sir, like how teachers are preparing themselves to teach students this time, sir?
Madam, we better know, madam, government schools how we teach, madam. So students, we go according to students, madam. So we ready to prepare our online classes, madam.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
So, sir, like when we talk about this e-learning and this traditional learning, what will be the biggest difference, sir? If there will be any kind of biggest difference in the online classes or traditional classes, or will it be just same as traditional classrooms?
Madam, traditional means, traditional means only teacher teaches lessons, madam. And online classes, they can show some, some pictures, some videos. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But my difference is not with traditional classes, then we can control, we can see whether students follow or not, madam. But online classes not possible. But madam, online classes, madam, some students interested, madam, because we can show some images, some videos. So students are very much interested in online classes, madam.
Okay.
Traditionally, always single teacher, always only one subject teacher teach letters, and teachers, students also bored, madam. But online students now online. I think, madam, many students are also very much interested in online classes, madam.
Correct.
They can show all pictures, all videos, and new madam, current topics all can cover in the online classes, madam.
Okay. So when the students attended classes in the institutes, they need not to receive an education but also get to interact with their fellow students as well. So they participated in co-curricular activities like sports, NCC, which allowed them to relax and forget about the stressful routine. But now everyone is stuck in their homes. At first, their connection with society is also severely affected, and now a new education system is being imposed on them, and in which they are being also tested, followed with the online examinations. So this kind of scenario of lacking interaction between their friends and teachers and everything, do you think it will affect them?
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Madam, now, madam, actually, this new education policy, madam, if I don't know when implementation. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But I think government already announced it, but I don't know when. Maybe this is not possible, madam. Next year, maybe.
Okay.
So, a lot of changes. The intermediate, I think there is no intermediate. 11th class included in school education, and the 12th class maybe go in degree. But now, madam, this new system is not under. Some all people were not understood how that government will be implemented, madam. Maybe, madam, this new education system is very good, madam.
Okay.
I
Correct,
think
sir.
we are.
So to implement this good education and to ensure that each and every student of our government school get pursued this online education. So if government is providing any electronic devices for students to attend online classes?
Madam, actually, already government given some projects, madam, some online digital classes. Something already, every school given already, madam.
Okay.
And also teachers also follow digital classes in, maybe especially science teachers and math teachers also follow the digital classes. And also, madam, also follow with the digital classes in government schools, madam.
So, sir, then electronic devices I'm talking about. So, any electronic devices like phones or laptops is government trying to give to the students?
Madam, still not give laptops, madam, in Telangana, madam.
Okay.
They give only online project, madam, online, some digital project they will give one each school, madam.
Okay.
And no laptops not provided, but some, madam, I think also just maybe 4 or 5 laptops given each school, madam. Computers or laptops given, madam. But all students not give laptops, madam. But every school have, madam, some laptops, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining us in today's show. And
Okay.
thank you for the input, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Okay, thank you.